taking down the house. Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today on 500 Flights and Counting, we're going to be taking down the house.
Okay.
Next one.
Can we do that one more time?
Okay. Taking down the house.
Stand by. Okay.
Okay. Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Okay.
Go for it.
Okay. Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today on 500 Flights and Counting, we're going to be taking down the house. Okay. Clearing the line. Hello.
Stand
this,
by.
huh?
Stand by.
Okay.
Still rolling.
Okay.
Still let the car pass.
I got to tell you, Dave, it's going to just eat up a shitload on me with that. You guys stop it until we get the.
The FAA does not have the time or resources to make sure that your drone is safe for flight. That's going to be your responsibility.
Do you have the right skill set? Scene 13.
Welcome to Drone Education Services. Today we're talking about, do you have the right skill set? Experience plays a big factor in whether you have the training to be able to execute a drone operation in a safe, reliable, and repeatable way. When looking at any operation, it's best to start looking at it from the what can go wrong theory and how likely that scenario is going to happen. Then determine how you can prevent an accident from occurring. You also need to focus on the type of operation you'll be flying. If you haven't flown this type of operation before, it's essential that you take the extra time to prepare for the flight. Also consider time-sensitive flights. They might not be safe to fly in. Then there's the being pushed into something that you're not comfortable with. That's a sure way to increase your chances for something to go wrong. This is where experience and training have big roles in risk management. Please subscribe to my channel. Hey, Lamar Ellis here with Drone Education Services. We've got some brand new programs we're so excited that we're going to release in the near future. The first one being aerial inspections for real estate appraisers. What we're going to cover in that seminar is welcome. Lamar Ellis here with Drone Education Services. I'm so excited to announce the new webinar series that we're going to release. Now, these webinars are also going to be good for certified educational credits for appraisers and real estate. Hello, Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. I am so excited to announce the new webinar series involving using drones for aerial inspections and appraisals. Now, these webinar series will be good for continuing educational credits in approved states. The first approved state that we have is going to be Atlanta, Georgia. And for the Atlanta chapter of the Appraisal Institute, I'm so excited to announce appraisal aerial inspections using a drone. Or